It was pouring down rain. I was just coming around a curve and just hydroplaned coming around and rolled over from there. First thing I remember, I was laying in the hospital up in Sioux City. Really didn't know what was going on at that time yet.
We were at Craig Hospital and they had meetings every, 4 to 6 weeks. And it was with our doctors, his PT, his OT, all of them. And they sat down and laid it out for Eric and said, this is an opportunity for you to get to do something else if you'd like. And Eric sat there and he didn't even wait, wasn't but a couple seconds. And he says, well, I've never wanted to do anything but farm. And I remember my stomach just going, oh, how is that gonna work? And when AgrAbility stepped in, I knew they were gonna get him back to the passion he had.
My name's Rod Peterson. I'm the program manager for Nebraska AgrAbility, and what we do is we take referrals and see what their limitations are, match them with the assistive technology that they need to continue farming and ranching.
They got me into Life Essentials, and then they came up, and that's how the lifts and everything else all started. It takes me and lifts me up into the equipment, and that puts you right next to inside the seat, inside the equipment. It's absolutely amazing.
He's in a sprayer, a tractor, a combine. He combines almost 3,500 acres every fall.
I can tell you when it's harvest season and planting season, he's the happiest they come.
It's been a pleasure to work with Eric and the Beckman family, to be able to provide the things to allow him to continue farming and pursue his passion.
So I think that's why AgrAbility is so important, because you're taking people that their roots come from farming, their heart, everything they have, that's what they do. And it was great to know that AgrAbility got him there.
You can see that it continues to make a difference in his life now. So it is a program that sustains.
AgrAbility brought me back to where I'm farming again and doing what I want to do again.